place wasn't always just a hole in the ground. Years ago, it used to be filled with candles. Carved into the sides of the walls were 1,000 little shelves holding 1,000 little lights. There was a stone staircase composed entirely of rocks stolen from somebody's garden. There's a cave now blocked off by shrubbery, and out of it once echoed music from an older era. And at the center of it all, there once sat a little table where 2 people ate ribs covered in BBQ sauce in the middle of the night. Now look at it.